The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, R.M. Kurbah, held a press conference today to outline directives for contesting candidates and the public ahead of the upcoming MDC elections. She emphasized that the Model Code of Conduct will come into effect from the 27th of January 2025 and urged upon all stakeholders to comply with the regulations. Addressing questions about election activities, Kurbah stated that the nomination process for candidates in East Khasi Hills will be conducted at 3 venues, namely the ISBT in Mauyong, Shillong, the Deputy Commissioner's Office, Shillong, and Penursla. She also confirmed that the counting of votes for all 15 constituencies in the district will take place at the ISBT Shillong.
Conduct will be effective from Monday. There are a few things that needs to be noted. Number one, I will not read the whole thing. We've highlighted a certain portion. All political parties contesting candidates require prior permission from the Deputy Commissioner's Office or Divisional Officer's Civil Office for holding any public meeting, procession, and rally. That also include using of loudspeaker. Then for handling of the polling booth, no one without a valid pass from the returning officer concerned, not from DC, from the returning officer concerned, shall enter the polling booth. Then the next is cash. Carrying of cash money in excess of 50,000 is prohibited. Okay. If anyone, there are business people who do carry cash more than 50,000, they have already applied along with all relevant documents. There are people who are doing big business people, so they've already applied. Okay, and the contest that will be for both the in public as well as contesting candidate and their supporters. And any violation of this model code of conduct shall be addressed by the Deputy Commissioner and also the returning officer concerned. That also we have already issued an order for people with arms to deposit it in the Markhana.
Speaking on the deployment of electronic voting machines, EVMs, the Deputy Commissioner announced that their distribution to polling stations would commence once the date is officially notified on the 27th of January. The press briefing highlighted the district's preparedness for the elections with a focus on adherence to the Code of Conduct and smooth logistical arrangements.
We have the commissioning of the EVMs. As of today, all the EVMs are there in ISBT. As today, it's a warehouse because it contains the EVMs of other districts too. But once we commission the EVMs, they will keep it in the strong room in ISBT itself, and from there we'll distribute to the different polling station on the date to be notified on Monday. Okay. So yes, we have actually a list of symbol also will be getting soon, so we'll be sharing with the political parties. Actually, what happens is, as you all know, this is a period when school will be starting very soon, and also you've seen in the day-to-day there's traffic jam. Now, two is that there are schools which have the board exam has already been started. So to ease the traffic, and also because most of the activities of this election process is in ISBT, so we've decided that 10 of the constituency should be in ISBT. Right now we have 15 constituency, 10 will be in ISBT, 3 in DC's office, and 2 in Penursla for the nomination. But for counting, everything will be from ISBT.